So this is the second part of the lecture, and I'm going to show you how to convert between pressure units. So the first thing I'm going to do is I wrote down my pressure conversions, and these are from the PowerPoint. And also, if you don't know where these are from the Gas Laws reference sheet that is also posted on Schoology. So to convert between pressure units, you write down what your given is, and in this case, my given is 0.5 ATM. And I'm trying to find mmHg. So I'm going to set up my fraction like we've been doing. What you're looking for, mmHg, goes on the top. And what you're trying to get rid of, ATM, goes on the bottom. So now the numbers that go in my fraction here come from these pressure conversions. So ATM has a 1 in front of it. mmHg has 760 in front of it. So really, you're going to do 0.5 times 760, and you get 380 mmHg, which should round to 400 mmHg. The next one, 152 mmHg. So I write my given. I'm trying to find ATM, so that goes on the top. Trying to get rid of mmHg, so that goes on the bottom. I look at my conversions here, 1 ATM, and then mmHg is 760. So really, this is 152 divided by 760, which gets me 0.200 ATM. The next one, I have 640 kPa. So kPa goes on the bottom because I'm trying to get rid of it. Torr is what I'm looking for, so that goes on the top. I look at my units here. Torr has 760. kPa has 101.3. So really, I'm doing 640 times 760 over 101.3. When I do that, I get 4,800 torr. And for the last one, I have 550 kPa. kPa goes on the bottom because that's what I'm trying to get rid of. I'm trying to find mmHg. So that's what goes on the top. mmHg has 760. kPa has 101.3. So 550 times 760 divided by 101.3. You end up with 4,100 mmHg. So that's how you do pressure conversions. So now I'm going to transition into the worksheet that you should have gotten today. It's called Gas Laws Unit Conversions. And so I'm going to do 7, 8, and 9 with you. And I'm going to leave my conversions right here so that I can see them while I'm doing this. So I have 890 mmHg. Trying to find kPa. So that goes on the top. mmHg goes on the bottom. kPa is 101.3. mmHg, 760. So 890 times 101.3 divided by 760 gets you 118, but with 2 sig figs, your answer is 120. The next one, 890 mmHg. That goes on the bottom because it's what I'm trying to get rid of. Trying to find ATM. ATM has a 1. mmHg is 760. So 890 divided by 760 gets you 1.2 ATM. Number 9, 123 kPa. kPa goes on the bottom. That's what I'm trying to find. I'm sorry, that's what I'm trying to get rid of. mmHg is what I'm trying to find, so that goes on the top. mmHg is 760. kPa, 101.3. So 123 times 760 divided by 101.3 gets you 923 mmHg. So that's how you do pressure conversions. Now let's jump up to the temperature section here. And in the notes, you will see that I had a couple equations. So Kelvin is the Celsius plus 273, and Celsius is the Kelvin minus 273. So I have Kelvin, I need to find Celsius. So I do 373 minus 273, and I get 100. Number 2, they give me Celsius, they want Kelvin. So to find Kelvin, I add 273 to my Celsius temperature, and I get 329. So I've shown you how to do temperature, I've shown you how to do pressure. If you flip it over, I can show you how to do volume as well. So we have milliliters and centimeters cubed. Milliliters and centimeters cubed are the same thing. So if I have 1900 milliliters, I also have 1900 centimeters cubed. Now I have milliliters for number 20, looking for liters. So this is where I would use my metric chart. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. I have milliliters, which is right here. Trying to go to liters, which is a base unit. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I get 1.9 liters. 21, I have centimeters cubed. Trying to find milliliters, they are the same. So 918 centimeters is 918 milliliters. And then finally, 22, centimeters cubed is milliliters. So I'm trying to go to liters. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I get 0.918 liters. So I've shown you how to do temperature, pressure, and volume. So you should be able to do the rest of this worksheet on your own. If you have more questions, please come see me during success.